Welcome. In front of me is a Nothing Phone 3A Pro, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into Fastboot mode. So to get started, hold power button and volume up, which brings up your boot options, and here you want to select power off. When the device turns off, hold power button and volume down at the same time. This, after a couple of seconds, will bring us to the bootloader first. There we go. So once you see this mode, you can let go of both of the buttons, and then using volume down, or I believe also up, yep, you can navigate through the menu, and you're just looking for, I guess we don't have a Fastboot mode in this menu, so we're gonna select recovery mode, confirm that. Next you will see Android with no command written under that, so to get past this, I'm gonna start holding power button, and while holding it, press volume up once. Now this takes us to the recovery mode, and in here, using again volume buttons to navigate, you want to select enter Fastboot. Confirm it with the power button, and there we go. There is our Fastboot mode. Now in here we have a couple options like reboot system now, which takes us back to Android, enter recovery mode, which takes us back to the previous page, enter bootloader, which will take us to the first page we have seen after turning off the device, and then we just have a simple power off. Now I'm going to stick with the first option, which is reboot system now, confirm it with the power button, and like I mentioned, this will bring me back to Android. And there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.